The first one, this one is our hot model for cabinet, kitchen cabinet. You can see this is the common packing for one set in this inner box. You can see very good packing, and it can protect the goods well. This is installation instructions. Yeah, you can see have some detailed size and adjustment. You can see it, right? Okay. And this tool is installation card. It can help you punching holes, install screws, install fix fittings. This tool is fixed fittings. You can see fixed fittings, right? And one bag in all screws in bag, and two cover. We have two cover. We have two colors about this cover, gray and white. Actually, the gray is wholesale because it's seen as some big brands like Bloom. This one is more popular. Yeah, you can see also have a board to protect the cover. Yeah, very good packing, right? Okay, this tool is lift body. Yeah, as you can see, very good packing, right? Okay, now we introduce the installation process. Okay, 放第一个视频 FS 100的。And now 已经放了对吗？Now we introduce details for installation. For example, this is the panel, the panel for cabinet. Now we use this card. This card it is sticker. You can stick here. Yeah, as you can see, this is sticker, right? Yeah. And you can see this arrow. It can help you to align this line, this side and the top side, right? This line. You use this card to align this upside and this side, right? It's very clear to help you how to stick it and install it. And then you can punch in here two screws to punching two hole. Yes, as you can see in the video, punching two hole. Then install this fitting here. Install this fitting here and with screws. Yes. Okay, finish for this for left, and here is right. Next one, we install the cabinet panel. Also, this small panel, as it's cabinet side now. Yeah, this is cabinet side. 第二个图. Yeah, you can see the video. Now you use this card and this sticker to you use this sticker, yes, and see this arrow, and to here and here, it's lying this line, right? Yeah, very clear. You stick this label and punching as here, punching 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Punching 6 screws, yes, and then you install as you can see. Install here as you can see in the video, right? Yeah, it's very clear and easy installation, right? Like me, I can install it if I have a cabinet. Use these products, so I can install by myself. No need to pay for worker, right? It's very easy, right? And then you can install the cover. It's very easy too. Remove the board, and it's very easy, right? Okay, now we show how to adjust the force. Please show picture 4. Okay. Yes, if the I show you, if the force is too light. Yeah, if the force is too light, you can see it cannot be loaded. So you should adjust here. You can see here a screws. It's very easy to adjust it. Adjust here. Adjust this screw. If the force is too light, yeah, adjust here. Adjust here to, you can see plus and minus, right? Plus and minus. You adjust these screws, and this clip will be moved to plus. Yeah. So the force is okay, will be okay. But another situation, show 5. Okay. Another situation, if it's too heavy, no free stop. If the force is too heavy, no free stop. So then you should to adjust here. Then deduct the force. The clip will be minus, right? Adjust here is okay. It's very easy to adjust it. Yeah, you can see it's very easy, right? Yeah, everyone, children can do it too. Okay, now force will be balanced after you adjust. Now we tell you how to adjust the panel. Okay, the panel 6. Yeah. How to adjust the panel? Here is the. Please wait. Okay. For example, this fixed base on the panel, but you want to adjust the up and down. You will adjust here. Yeah, like here. You adjust here to just tighten or loose these screws. The panel will be moved up and down, up and down. Yeah. It's very easy to, this screws is very easy to tighten it or loose it. Yes, it's very easy to do that, right? Okay. Next one, how to turn left or right. Remove the panel left or right. 7. Yeah. You can see it in the video. You can see it in the video. Yes. Here, you can. Here will be there will be screws inside. You just adjust here. It's enough. It's enough to adjust here to adjust the panel left or right. And the next one, the last screws, 第八个 yeah, the last one, the last screws is for back or front or back. Yeah, you adjust here, the panel will be front or back. So you can see the panel is no gap, no big gap for cabinet. So it looks good, right? Yeah, this have another name, means chicken leg, right? Yeah, chicken leg seems as a big chicken leg, right? It's very hot sale in Southeast Asia and some Europe. It's very about 19% similar as Bloom. So if you want to try it, we can arrange samples for you. So you can see, do you like it to make your cabinet luxury, right? Okay.